friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie, and in today's video we're going to start taking down all the fall and Halloween decorations in the first floor of my house. I have a big mess in the kitchen. As you can see, everything looks empty, and it's not because I'm taking things down, it's because my husband is setting up the backsplash in the kitchen. So it's almost done. There is only one area down there that needs to be grouted, and so there is a lot of dust around because of the grout and setting up all the tiles. So I want to clean up on the counters and put everything away, mop the floors. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting here in the kitchen, just taking everything off the island and placing it on the dining table. I like having one spot to gather it all before organizing. The goal today is just try to put everything away and dust all the surfaces to get rid of all the dust that it was created when my husband was installing the backsplash. And then I'm going to vacuum and mop the floor because it also has a lot of dust. I'm planning to keep the house undecorated and minimalist while I continue cleaning on the next few days. During the next few days, I will have some time to think about where I'm going to put all the Christmas decor. Last year, I did not decorate for Christmas because we were living in an apartment where we were building this house, and we ended moving in January. I have been collecting Christmas decor for many years. It's one of my favorite times to decorate the home. But when we moved to Florida, I had to declutter and downsize my Christmas decor. So I went through every bin that I had and chose the items that I wanted to keep, and the rest I either sold them or donate them. So now I have to open all my bins in the next few days to see what I'm going to put and where I'm going to put it in this new house, because it will be the first time that this house is decorated for Christmas. When we lived in Maryland and our kids were younger, I used to set up 4 trees. Our house was pretty big, and we had space to set 4 trees. And one of them was a natural tree that I used to decorate with my kids with all the crafts that they used to make in preschool and in elementary school. And it looks so beautiful. When we retired and moved to Massachusetts 3 years ago, we also downsized, so I had only 3 trees. And when we moved now to Florida last year, I kept the 3 trees. So I'm going to try to see if I can set up the trees. I'm going to put the large tree in the living room, one in the loft, and maybe another one in my office. Now that we put all the fall and Halloween decor away in the bins, I'm going to start dusting all the surfaces. I love using the Swiffer to remove the dust from the furniture. It does such a great job. Do you all use a Swiffer too? I love using it also to remove all the dust on the baseboards. It does a great job. Now I'm moving into the kitchen, and because we had the backsplash finished, there is still a little bit dust left from the grout. I'm going to wet a microfiber cloth and start gently wiping the tiles and the countertop. I'm so happy with how the backsplash turned out. It's home marble and it matches beautifully with our quartz countertops. The quartz is called Forte. It has the soft and elegant veining pattern that looks a lot like Carrara marble. When we built this house, we decided not to add this upgrade at the time. It was a pretty costly option. We also opted out of the under cabinet LED lights. My husband has done these kinds of projects before in our previous homes, so we figured we could take them on ourselves later. My husband installed both the backsplash and the LED lights under the cabinets, and they turned out amazing. We saved a lot of money that we were able to put in our big upgrade for this house, that it was the swimming pool. I can't wait to decorate the kitchen for Christmas. Now that the backsplash and the lights are in, I think it's going to look very pretty. Now I'm just putting back a few of my kitchen essentials, nothing decorative yet, just the thing we use every day. I'm keeping the space simple for now. I really want a clean canvas to brainstorm ideas for my first Christmas kitchen decor in the new home. Now I'm tackling the kitchen island and the sink area, just getting everything cleaned up and reset, and getting the dishwasher running so everything can be washing while I finish up here. I'm giving the sink a quick clean, and then I'm going to wipe down the kitchen island using the Cloro wipes. I really love using these disinfecting wipes, and the other day I bought a 3-pack that are scented. I'm using today the lavender scent and it smells so good. Now that all the kitchen surfaces are clean and dust-free, I'm moving on to the floors. I'm using my back mop today, and I really love how well it works. It puts everything and leaves the LVP floors amazingly clean. As I tackle all these daily chores to keep the house tidy and ready for the new season, I'm dreaming on how I will decorate this space for Christmas. A little greenery here, a twinkle light there. I can't wait to share that with you in my next videos. I'm kind of curious, have you started decorating for Christmas yet? Lately, it feels like there is such a rush online, especially with the Ralph Lauren trend. Everything's so perfectly styled. I don't really follow trends. I love using the decor I have collected over the years in new ways each season. I usually just add a few new ornaments or ribbons to refresh things without starting completely over. Last week, I started making the wreath that I will be using outside of our home this year. It's one of my favorite parts, seeing the greenery and the ribbons come together and imagining them on the doors and the windows. Now that the kitchen and the main areas are all refreshed, I'm moving on to the bathroom to clean our drop-off zone. This is where everything tends to land: shoes, bags, jackets. It's amazing how quickly this area can get cluttered. If that happens in your house too, let me know. Now that we have accomplished our task for today, it feels so satisfying to see the house clean and refreshed. All the surfaces are dust-free, the floor is sparkling, and every little space is in order. Now that everything is done for today, my husband and I are heading out to run a few errands. It feels so nice to have the house refreshed before stepping out. And the next day, we're tackling the fall and Halloween decor outside. It is the next day and my husband already took down all the spiders and the hats that they were high on the ceiling, and now I'm tackling some of the things. I'm leaving this garland out because we don't forget Thanksgiving. I'm going to put a simple decor for Thanksgiving, and I will show you at the end of the video how cute the porch looks decorated for Thanksgiving. I'm grouping all the decor together, and then I'm going to leave the decor a few days in the garage so it dries really well, just to make sure that it doesn't get moldy when I put it inside the bins. Did you get a lot of trick-or-treaters this year? We had so many kids come by. It was really fun to see the little costumes and excited faces. That's what I went over the top this year to decorate for Halloween, because I was expecting a lot of kids to stop by. Now I'm moving to the front lawn to take down all the seasonal decor. It always feels a little bittersweet, but I'm looking forward to seeing the house decorated for Christmas. I'm planning to have very cute and understated decor, but I think it's going to look very pretty. I can't wait to show it to you. And now everything has been put away, and this is how everything looks. And look how cute my banner for Thanksgiving. I bought this banner like a year ago back in Michael's when we live in Plymouth, and I never got to use it, but I put it to good use. I kept the pumpkins also. I added this beautiful fall wreath that is from IKEA. The porch is all set and ready to welcome Thanksgiving. Lately it feels like people skip right past Thanksgiving and jump straight into Christmas right after Halloween. I think it's so important to slow down and take the time to give thanks for all the blessings we have, to really savor the season before moving on to the next holiday. My friends, that's it for now. I hope you found a little cleaning motivation and enjoying seeing the house get refreshed. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming Christmas decor videos. I can't wait to share all the cozy holiday touches with you. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.